Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this car is Audi A4, which is a estate 2000cc and diesel engine. And let's start the service of this car. So as you can see that I have opened the trim. I've taken out the engine cover and taken out this oil cap as well, because it's necessary. If you remove the oil cap before do service, it doesn't create any kind of vacuum in it. So this is the oil filter for it, oil filter housing and oil filter cap. So it needs to remove this one because there's a limited access in it. You can remove this one as well. If you have the flexi tool, you can, without removing, you can do the service of this one as well. So let's start the service. So as you can see that this is 32 mm and a flexi socket in it. So I have the tool, so I'm removing it easily. So I've tried to lose this one, but it's very tight, so I think I need more access for that. So needs to open this one. So there's only one torque screw, which is torque number 30. So you need this machine for that. So let me lose this one, and after that we have more access to lose our housing cap, which is filter cap. So this one I've just taken out from this one. I haven't opened this one because it's a little bit more jobs, like longer jobs, so I don't want to do that. So I've just removed the screws, and after that, so we can slightly move this one. That is enough for you. So as you can see that we have a room for that. Yeah. Waste bucket, you can taken out this filter cap and taken out your filter as well. So see, it's totally dry. So as you can see that this is oil filter, and this is the part number. So let's put the oil filter in. Yep. Change this rubber as well. So this is the bottom part of that A4, yeah. So I've loosed that a trim. So that's the engine, and that is the drain plug. So this is number 19 mm socket you need to use to lose this one, and I'll lose a bit, and as you can see that's been loose. After that taken out. So you need to put like 4.7 liter. You can use 5W30 as well. So you need to put 4.7 liter oil in it, and after closing this one and the service being done, that's it. And yeah, that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.